In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up shipping rates by weight in your Shopify store. This is a fantastic way to align your shipping costs more closely with the weight of your products, which can lead to more accurate shipping fees for your customers. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to the settings by heading to the bottom left of your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control area where you can customize different aspects of your store, including shipping. Once you're in the settings, go ahead and select Shipping and Delivery. This section is your go-to spot for managing all things shipping related in Shopify, giving you the ability to adjust how products are shipped to your customers. Next, you'll need to click on the shipping profile you are using. This is essentially a group of products that share the same shipping settings. You might have different profiles for various product types or regions. Each one's settings can be individually adjusted. After selecting your shipping profile, you have two options. If you want to modify an existing rate, click Edit Rate on the rate you're currently using. Alternatively, if you're looking to add a completely new rate, then select Add Rate. This flexibility allows you to tailor new shipping prices as your store's inventory or customer base expands. Once you've selected or created your rate, you'll need to click Add Conditional Pricing. This step is important as it lets you set specific parameters for your shipping charges. Here, you can choose to base your rates on the item's weight, which is perfect for stores that sell items of varying sizes and densities. Weight-based pricing ensures customers are paying shipping costs that reflect how heavy the products are, which can help maintain fairness in cost distribution. After choosing to base the rates on item weight, you'll need to enter the minimum and maximum weight for each rate bracket. This means you decide the weight range that qualifies for a particular shipping price. Once you've established your weight parameters, simply add the corresponding shipping price. Be sure this price accurately reflects your shipping costs or the amount you'd like to charge to cover those costs. Once you've entered all necessary details, click Done to save your changes. And just like that, you've successfully set up weight-based shipping rates. These settings are now live and will apply whenever customers purchase items within the specified weight ranges. Establishing shipping rates by weight can help streamline your logistics and improve customer satisfaction by providing fairer shipping charges. As you continue to manage your Shopify store, you might want to revisit these settings to fine-tune them as your needs change. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made setting up your Shopify shipping rates a breeze.